welcome to the channel. Alright, real quick update video for everyone here today. We are testing out FSD beta, and we are on the last couple days of the trial, that big FSD trial that went out to all Teslas. So it says on my service screen that it will expire on November 25th, and here we are on the 22nd doing some vigorous testing because we only got a few days left on this. Now I still do have FSD on the Model 3, so make sure you stay subscribed because I will be keeping you updated. Now I do apologize for not getting in the latest update .4.2, which is what I'm running right now, and I realized that there is another newest update out that has a hurry mode, and yeah, so I'm realizing once these updates go away, they go away forever. So it's important to try to get as much testing in as well as videos, because once you update, then you can't really test this version anymore. But overall, some major improvements. Number one is going to be the visualization. It's like they took some bug out or something. They said that it just so much smoother. I think it still has some ways to go, but it's like the progression of Grand Theft Auto, and we're on GTA 6, everyone's waiting for. But if you've seen it, like the way it's progressed back in the day from GTA 1 to 2 to 3, which was my favorite, San Andreas, and then it's kind of go back and look at the old school versions of FSD, and the way it looked, the visualization, it was just a bunch of boxes and lines, and we got like almost identical to the road situation going on now. So I like to record these updates, and I do compare them over time as well too, so it's pretty cool. We are out here in Northern Virginia on Georgetown Pike, of course, doing the FSD testing, which it works flawlessly on this really dangerous kind of road. It's a back curvy narrow road. We are getting our first winter season rain, snow, wintry mix today for the first time this year, or this winter, and it was coming down a little bit earlier, but I'm actually headed into Maryland, of course, and over there they say it's snowing a little bit more, so we shall see. So yeah, for everyone watching this that is from the DC, Maryland, DMV area, listen up, we got a light show coming up on December 7th, and that's going to be in Bowie, Maryland. So make sure you follow either myself or Tesla Maryland on X, and they have a Facebook group as well too, and I will post some more details, and register. We already have over 150 people, and last one I thought maybe we would be cool to get 50 people together, and we got 150 people together. This time we're going for 200 people, so hopefully we're calling it the East. This could be the biggest one on the East Coast so far. So if you're from wherever, if you can show up. It's gonna be fun. It's the first Saturday, it's 2 weeks away from the moment I'm shooting this, and I'm excited. I'm gonna be there. Tesla Maryland, they're really cool club, legit people, and they're gonna be going all out like they do, and we should have some fun. I'm gonna make some cool videos, and yeah, I think it's more about the people. It's really cool. I had a lot of fun meeting everyone last time, and kept up with a lot of people since then too. I ran into someone actually at the dealership. So another announcement for everyone that lives in this area: the Cybercab is here. It is on display in the Tyson's location at the Tycho Road Tesla. So if you want to go check it out, make sure you go stop by. I went to go check it out the other day on Wednesday, I think, when that was the day that they put it out there, of course, Tesla Maryland was the one that let me know first thing in the morning, and I was like, all right, you know, I was like, I'm gonna stop by after work, you know, why not? Especially because there's a lot of traffic at that time. I figured, let me just stop by and kill like an hour here. And it was a lot of fun. The conversations that I had with the Tesla guy was hilarious. First thing, I was like, let me put a deposit down on this thing. And then I was like, let me test drive it. Let me sit in it. You know, there's no steering wheel or anything, no pedals, nothing like that. And it's pretty remarkable to see it in person, because it's just kind of visually stunning when you see like a car with no steering wheel. You're like, what the heck? And then I asked him, I was like, so, you know, how did you get it in here? And they were like, well, you see it in here. You know, they try to tell me that they drove it in there, and I don't believe them, because I think they used the truck to back up. Honestly, I don't know. I would give them a lot of props if they did use it, like summon or whatever the heck. However Robotaxi works, maybe it's an on-screen summon, who knows? That would be pretty cool, actually, an on-screen summon. Oh, I just thought about that. Just like you have on your phone, but on the screen summon. So you could say exactly where you want to go. Oh, that makes a lot of sense. But pretty much with the map and like, yeah, alright. I could see that being possible. I'm really excited for the Cybercab. It is visually really cool to look at. I have 1 or 2 videos that I will post, so be sure to check that out. And yeah, it is so awesome. It's got the Lambo doors going up. The doors are ginormous. It is like a huge, I don't know how to explain it. It's like bigger than the front seat, but smaller than both, you know, front and back seat. It's like a pretty big, spacious area for 2 people, you know, sitting this way. And the trunk is huge. And yeah, it's a pretty cool, you know, I'm really interested in getting one day. We'll see, you know, when that day comes along, and how much it costs. $28,000, I'm hoping. And yeah, I'm just making that up, but at the same time, yeah, FSD running great. And yeah, this should be interesting. Thanksgiving right around the corner. We're expected to see some updates. V13 right around the corner. And yeah, Robotaxi coming up. Finally got to see it. Once you see it, then you're like, you can kind of taste it, smell it. It's up, you know, it's coming up. You know, it's just so hard to picture, but then when you see it, you're like, you know, it's like I've been trying to picture what their Cybercab is going to look like for a long time. Pretty much ever since I got this car, you know, I saw the Cybertruck unveil, and then it finally become an actual car that you can buy, truck, whatever. And now this, you know, I used to use like AI generators to be like, show me a picture of Tesla's Robotaxi, like on Grok, for example, which if you haven't used Grok yet, test out Grok. Their image generator is phenomenal. You know, they used to show stuff really close to what it actually looks like, and it's incredible to see it now in person. I was, you know, coming up with a lot of like mock-ups on what their, you know, Robotaxi, Cybercab, Robocab, what was it actually going to look like. And you know, I'm actually pretty pleased with the look. It's kind of like a car version of the Cybertruck. It's a little boxy, but it's still got like those Model 3 elements. You know, even has some kind of like looks from the original Model S. You know, even it's like got like Tesla Roadster curves to it. So it's kind of cool, you know, and it's incredible to see the performance of these sports cars. These electric cars, these Tesla cars are keeping up with the best of the best, and the best of the best is not very happy about that. I don't know why, but you know, competition is good for everyone. And yeah, so anyways, more videos on the way. I just wanted to let everyone know about the Cybercab on display in Tyson's Corner. And then for, you know, anyone that can, you know, basically if you drive down 495, you should be able to come to Bowie if you have a Tesla FSD or what. You know, superchargers are over. They have a Bowie supercharger, so you can just stop by. And it's going to be at a baseball stadium, so we've got the entire parking lot there. So Yeah, really good job with FSD in the dark, in the rain, with a little bit of ice coming down. I want to thank everyone for watching this video. Hopefully you enjoyed it. Yeah, shout out to everyone that subscribes to my channel. Really thank everyone for watching, and I really appreciate you guys. So more videos on the way, and thanks again. Hope you have a great rest of your day. Really nice job with that turn. Wow.